Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of data analytics. This is no mere buzzword, it's a dynamic process that unlocks valuable insights from raw data. Data analytics involves a variety of techniques and tools that reveal patterns, trends, and insights. It's like a compass in the vast ocean of information, guiding businesses towards informed decisions. The power of data analytics lies in its ability to improve efficiency and give businesses a competitive edge in today's data-driven world. One of the key aspects of data analytics is data visualization, which helps to present complex information in a clear and understandable way. Now let's dive deeper into the process of data analytics. This process is like a journey that begins with data collection. This is where we gather high volumes of data from various sources. Next, we clean the data. This stage involves removing any inaccuracies or inconsistencies to ensure the quality of the data. After cleaning, we move on to the analysis phase. This is where we put our detective hats on and use various techniques and tools to uncover patterns, trends, and insights. The final stage is interpretation, where we make sense of the information we've uncovered. This stage is crucial as it helps us to extract valuable insights that can inform decision-making and drive positive outcomes. So in a nutshell, the process of data analytics typically involves several stages, including data collection, cleaning, analysis, and interpretation. Furthermore, data analytics can be applied across various industries, including finance, healthcare, marketing, and more. In finance, it can help predict market trends, while in healthcare, it can improve patient outcomes by predicting disease patterns. Marketers, on the other hand, can optimize their strategies based on the insights derived from customer data. Data analytics is not just about gathering data, but making sense of it. It's like finding the needle of insight in the haystack of data. It aids in decision-making by providing a solid foundation of facts and trends. In a world that's becoming increasingly data-driven, organizations that leverage data analytics are more likely to outperform their competitors. Whether it's predicting customer behavior, improving operational efficiency, or identifying new market opportunities, data analytics has a transformative impact on businesses and industries. It's not just about understanding the past or the present, but also about predicting the future. Ultimately, the goal of data analytics is to extract valuable insights that can inform decision-making and drive positive outcomes. And that's a wrap on our overview of data analytics. To recap, we've explored how this process allows us to transform raw data into meaningful insights, driving informed decisions across a multitude of industries. Your time and curiosity are greatly appreciated. If you found value in our discussion, do share the wealth of knowledge with others. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.